Hello YouTube, this is Miguel Delgado aka Chef Miguelito and welcome to Chef Miguelito TV. Today we're gonna make a delicious Peruvian Anticuchos or beef heart skewers. Let's go! So we're gonna need a heart, cow's heart, around 2 pounds. We have ají panca. This is panca hot chili pepper. This is a Peruvian ingredient. You can find it at your nearby Hispanic grocery store on the Hispanic or Latin American aisle. Then we have black pepper. We have some cumin. We have some oregano, dry oregano. We have some salt, and we have some red wine vinegar. Okay, the ají panca, 1/3 of a cup. So for the red wine vinegar, we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup. So this is our heart, previously rinsed and dried. So we're gonna get rid of the fat and the nerves, okay? Now that our heart is clean, we try to clean it as much as possible. You know, just get rid of the fat, the nerves. So we're gonna cut it in strips. So now we're gonna cut it into small pieces. Not that small, but I mean, we're gonna put them in skewers. So medium-sized pieces. Just make sure the cuts are gonna be some kind of small, you know, just like this, because the heart is gonna be cooked medium to medium rare, depending on how you like it. And what you want is that meat to be tender. So now that we are ready with the small cuts, as you can see, not too thick or thin. Now we're gonna incorporate the heart to the marinade, and we're gonna let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. So 24 hours have passed, and we let the ají panca, the vinegar, salt, pepper, all the condiments go through the meat. So when you cook it, it's gonna be tender, delicious, and oh my god. So our anticuchos, this is optional because not everyone likes garlic, so we're gonna add garlic to our anticuchos. I love garlic. And after that, we're gonna proceed and put them in skewers. So we got our skewers, and we just put them, depending on how much meat you want, is totally up to you. So we add a drop of oil, and we're gonna let it warm up. Then depending on how you like that meat to be cooked, Chef Miguelito likes medium to medium rare, so we're gonna do for 1 minute each side. We're gonna cover it 1 minute. You can grill it, but this time on the stove. So now that we have our anticuchos ready, we're gonna proceed to the plating. I have 3 boiled potatoes. Miguelito special sauce. This is Chef Miguelito checking out, and if you like this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe my channel so I can make more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.